On this page, we're talking about personal property. Personal property is essentially everything the decedent owned that is not real estate. This can include household furnishings, clothing, jewelry, electronics, vehicles, and other personal belongings. For purposes of a petition to set aside in Nevada, most personal property does not need to be listed item by item. If the property does not have a title or formal ownership document, like a vehicle title or a bill of sale, it can be grouped together and assigned a single estimated value. You'll sometimes hear this referred to as a garage sale value. That means a reasonable estimate of what the terms might sell for in a casual secondhand setting, not replacement cost, not insurance value, and not what the items meant emotionally. For example, sofas, chairs, tables, kitchen items, clothing, and similar household goods can all be combined into one total amount. You don't need an appraisal, and you don't need to inventory every item. If there are titled items, such as vehicles, those will usually be handled separately based on their title and estimated value. The goal here is to give the court a fair, honest picture of the decedent's personal property without overcomplicating the process. A reasonable estimate is sufficient. As with the other sections of this form, you'll have an opportunity to review these entries when you receive your draft documents by email and make adjustments if needed before filing. Once you've entered the information to the best of your ability, you can continue to the next.
If you'd like a Nevada attorney to review your documents or your situation, you can schedule a consultation for $250. Using this form and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. This content is educational only.